guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own roguelike fan game, and this won't be like a full tutorial. I'll still have some like other stuff, but I'll show you how to set up Photon and PlayFab. So anyways, let's get into the video. First, you want to go into the description. For the first link in the description, it should be a link to the download of Unity. Once you download it, you probably have to log in and stuff. So once you done everything and choose a version, I recommend a 2021 version. It's pretty good, but you don't really have to use. It doesn't matter which version you use. So click on the blue new project button right here, right next to open. And then it should select 3D. If it didn't, just click 3D. And then name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it tutorial. I can't spell tutorial. Okay, yeah. Actually, no. Okay, alright. I'm gonna edit 2 game there. So then you wanna click create project. So once you've done that, it's gonna take a while to load. So just wait for that, I guess. Alright, now that the thing has loaded, you see this. You want to go to main camera, delete that. Don't worry, that won't do anything. By the way, to redo everything, if you accidentally do something you don't want to, you want to click Control Z at the same time. You'd see. Alright, now it's back. So, anyways, alright, now on to the actual setting up the VR stuff. So you want to go to alright, so you want to go to where is it? So you want to go to edit right here, and then click on project settings all the way at the bottom. It should be right here. Click on that, and then you should see XR plugin managing. I can't talk. You want to click install. Wait for that to install and everything. Alright, now after you've done that, you should be on the computer right here. Now you want to click on OpenXR right here. Now wait for that package to install. Yeah. Alright, so once you install it, this should pop up. You want to click yes, because this restarts the editor, and that will install a package. So if you click no, it won't install it. So, yeah. Alright, now make sure to click save right here. And you'll see it will restart. So you just want to wait for it to load and everything, but yeah. Alright, now you want to click, so now it should be loaded up, and you probably see this OpenXR thingy right here. You want to click on the thingy right here, the warning sign, click on edit. Now add Oculus Touch profile right here, second to last, and Valve Index controller profile, right here. And then make sure you set it to multipass right here. Alright, then you want to go to the Android section, click on multipass right here, change the render mode to that. And then you want to go back to XR plugin manage it right here. And you probably also noticed that XR would be right there. So once you've done that, you should be on the Android. If you aren't, just switch to Android settings, and then you want to install the Oculus plugin provider. It may take a bit, depending on how big slow your PC is. Sometimes, but it usually won't take that long. Alright, now once you've done that, you want to go to the Oculus section. And then now, the target devices, you just want to, I'm pretty sure these should already be checked. Make sure these are both set to multipass, so computer, multipass, and Android multipass. Alright, yeah, so next thing you want to go to low overhead mode right here, the glass thingy, or whatever it is. Now you want to go to OpenXR, plug and manage it. Go to, hold on, wait, it's not working. Oh yeah, OpenXR. Then you want to go to interaction profiles, add the Oculus Touch controller profile. That's it. Don't add anything else because, you know, you're making the game. Alright, now you want to exit out of that, so you're done with that. Also those two if you want. Now you want to go to Window, go to Package Manager, right here. Instead of this, click the plus and the arrow, click Add Package from Get URL. So now once you pulled this up, you want to put down com.unity, unity.xr.inter, that's not a dot. Interaction toolkit. Oh wait, shoot. Toolkit. There, so you should see installing a package right here. I'm pretty sure I spelled it wrong last time. Yeah, I did. Yeah, you just want to wait for it to install. No, just wait for that to go away. And my dog's sitting on top of the couch. Great. Alright, so now you want to go to samples, import starter assets right here. So click import and then just wait for them to import. So now you should be inside of this thingy, starter assets. And if it didn't, just go to assets, samples, interaction, of the XR interaction toolkit, this right here, start assets, and yeah. So then you want to go to prefabs. Oh wait, shoot, not prefabs. You want to go to presets, and then on all of these, you can just select all of them. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, you can't. Yeah, but okay. So by the way, to select different thingies, if you want to select all of these, for example, you want to hold Shift while clicking on them. So Shift. Clicking on them, but you have to have one selected first. And to select multiple, you hold Control while selecting them, like that. But basically, you want to go to each one, click Add. Alright. Now you want to go back to project settings, right here, and then you want to find, where is it? Right here. Under player and above quality. So you should see these right here, these three. You wanna click you wanna make the right controller right, make the left controller left. Exactly spelled like this. You have to make it capital. Then for the gaze, just put nothing. Alright, then after that, you can either go to my Discord server or the link in the description. I much rather the Discord server because it has all like the scripts you need for stuff and the tutorials with them. But you don't really have to do that if you don't have Discord or you don't want to join my Discord server. That's fine. I don't care. You to click on the Gorilla Locomotion GitHub link, and then you download it. So once you download it, you want to go to assets, and then click import package, and then find the Gorilla Locomotion. Alright, now that you have your Gorilla Locomotion package, you want to click on it, and then click open. So now that you opened it, you want to make sure it's selected all, so you want to click all, and then click import. Alright, so now the open scenes have been modified. make sure to click ignore, else that would like delete basically everything. Well, you don't have to. It will just put the camera back, but I recommend putting ignore because it's more funny. Funny. The next, you want to go to resources, Gorilla Prefab, and then you see Gorilla Rig. Before you drag that in, let's make the map. Alright, and then now we are going to create a map for it. So you can either like just steal a map or something, or create one. But we are gonna real quick test out the movement, because if you guys want to. So right click your thingy, or you can go to game object. You can do it either way, game object, 3D object, and then you click any shape you want, or you can right click 3D object, any shape you want. So let's start with a cube, I guess. So we have a cube, just a cube. Let's see, so by the way, so all these tools, this one views stuff, like you can move your camera around. This one you can move stuff with. This one rotates. And do that. This one scales the tool, so I'm gonna scale it this way, so it does that. And then I'm gonna scale it this way, so it does that. And then this one, it stretches it kind of, like that. And then this one is all the thingies mixed together. And this one, oh yeah, this one's the edit box collider, so if you want to change the collider, you can. So we got our map thingy. I'm gonna real quick teach you how to create materials and everything if you want. So oh yeah, but first before that, you want to right click again, click create. Well, this is optional. I recommend it though if you want to add map loaders to your game. You want to click your game objects, click create empty, and then you can rename it to whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it main map. So you got your main map. You want to drag that into the main map. So if you have multiple objects and you want to move or size down the main map, you can. Alright, so then you want to so either you can get a texture, you can look one up, or go into my Discord server or another one, and then you can import it. So let's say we want a grass texture. We can get this let's see, I'm gonna find this. We can get this grass right here that I have, and we could drag it onto there, and then it creates a materials folder. Make sure if you have any material, do not delete the image for it, because that ruins it. So we have this right here. If you want it to look smooth or not, that's your choice. So turn down the smoothness, and then you see it's like that, so it's not shiny or reflective. And if you want to change the size of the thingy, you can do that right with that. So now that you've done that, you can start working on your map or whatever. Real quick, go to your window, package manager, and then download. Make sure the package is Unity registry, and then type in pro build. Wait. Yeah, right here, pro builder. So you want to type in pro builder exactly like this, I guess, if you want, or pro if you want. And then there should be a download button and stuff. You download that, and then you click install to get it into your project. So make sure it's installed and everything. I think my Unity's crashed. Alright, now that it's installed, you want to go to Alright, now you want to go to Tools, Pro Builder, and Pro Builder window. Once you got that up, I recommend dragging that onto your thingy sidebar. And then, okay, so I'm gonna real quick go delete this real quick. You don't have to if you want. Go to Game Object, Pro Builder. By the way, it's your choice if you want to build your game with Pro Builder. I'm not forcing you to. It's your option. So if you want to build your game without Pro Builder, you can just you know, do just create cubes and stuff. So we got a Pro Builder cube right here, and I'm gonna teach you how to use Pro Builder. So up here is your Pro Builder stuff. You can right here, you can select the vertex and move it around. You could. There's also an edge selector, which is how you make your thingy. So, oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to say, do not create a cube. Actually, go to Pro Builder and create a plane right here, because this is pretty good to use for making maps and stuff. Not only forest maps, you can make it to make any map and stuff. So let's make a basic forest map, I guess. So we're going to select these edges. Make sure to hold Control if you want. And actually, wait, no. We're just gonna slice this up a lot, like this. All right. Now we got our map right here. So you wanna go to Edge selection. You wanna select the edges. Oh wait, that's not edge selection. So you wanna select all the edges right here. To make your walls, make sure it's on thingy right there, and then you want to click extrude edges right here. And then you see now it's built like a wall. So once you've done that, you can move it up, and then you can do the same thing with all the other thingies. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Also, by the way, if you want to make like a house, I guess, if you're going for like an indoor theme, I'll make another tutorial on that, or you could just press extrude edges again to make a roof for it. So now we got our basic map. So if you want to make the walls a different texture, like a stone texture, let's say, let's select all the walls. Alright, now we got all the walls. You want to click, let's see, you want to click detach faces. So now it's a different object. And let me real quick just, you can rename it if you want. I'm not gonna. So you got your grass, hold on, wait, let me drag this in here. So you got your grass texture. I'm gonna make that. Oh, by the way, if you want to make your grass, a more of like a, let's say like pixelated, if you're going for that theme, you can make your max size 32, click apply, or and if you don't want to make it blurry, by the way, you can make it no filter, apply. So you see now it's pixelated. It's because I'm gonna go for that theme. If you want more of like a realistic theme, you can, I'm gonna post another tutorial on how to make realistic textures in Unity for any game. So, just stay tuned until you watch that, until that happens. So now, I'm gonna import, stone texture. Alright, now I got my stone texture. This is already kind of pixelated. I'm still gonna make it a bit pixelated though. So we're gonna do that. Now we're gonna drag it onto these walls. I'm gonna real quick. Oh, put on my. Yeah, you can rename this folder to textures if you want, because those are your textures and the materials on there. So let me real quick just rename this. Alright, so now you got your textures. You want to go to your stone texture or whatever. Turn on the smoothness. By the way, the smoothness thingy is your own option. You don't have to do it. I just recommend doing it. So now it's the time to make your barrier. So the more like lazy way to do it is just copying your floor, and then you could flip it around real quick. Just do a little click flip, and then you could make it like this. Stretch it out some, and then you want to put it up. But then you just want to put it above your map like this, and then mesh renderer right here. Just disable it, so it's still there. Just people can't see it, and like so they can't like just like get outside of the map easily. So now once you've done that, I'm gonna teach you how to add photon and playfab to your game. Now, by the way, photon and playfab are basically just like photon's multiplayer, and playfab is like the moderator stuff. Actually, okay, well, I'm gonna do playfab in another video because it's a bit too complicated. So anyways, go to the next link in the description to download the photon thingy that I'm talking about. So now that you guys into the description, you should see pun right here. You want to click add to my assets. You may need a login, by the way. Click accept. You may do that. Yeah, but you want to click add to my assets, and then open in Unity. So open. Make sure to click open. Wait, I'm gonna minimize this. Yeah. So then you should go on this page right here. You want to go to pun. Well, you're already on pun actually. You should click download right here, and then import after. So after you click import, we'll just wait for this to happen actually. Alright, yeah, make sure it's selected all, and then import. And you probably have some errors, just saying. Alright, so once it's installed, now don't close out of this, by the way. Do not do this. You want to go you want to go to the next link into the description. So now you should be here. You wanna you wanna click login or create account. Or sign in right here if you want. It doesn't really matter which button you choose. So after you like create an account or login or something, you want to go to dashboard right here, or it may send you to the dashboard. So then once you do this, by the way, these you can't really do anything with these because these are my old games. So you want to create a new app. Make sure it's on pun, not real time. Make sure it's pun right here. You have to have an application's name. So I'm gonna make this 2Game right there. This stuff doesn't matter. Alright. So you want to create that. So after it finished creating, you want to create another one. And it's gonna be voice. So after you create voice, you name it, your thingy that you want to call it, and create it. And they have to be spelled the same, by the way. Not like the voice and the thing have to be spelled the same. Yeah. So once you got your 2Game and your thingy, like your voice, you want to copy you want to copy your 2Game ID thingy. You want to copy your ID for your 2Game, and then you paste it in here, and then you click setup project, and then now it should say like this, and then you click close. Now you want to go to the other link in the description and download, and then do the same thing. I'm gonna really update mine because it's out of date. So yeah. So once it's done that, you will make sure you click all. If some stuff isn't checked, like these, that is okay because we already have those folders and it doesn't really do anything. As you see right here, it's like it has a warning sign, but it doesn't do anything. It just doesn't place down those folders because we already have those, and it just puts the stuff that it imports inside of those folders. So yeah, it doesn't really matter, isn't such a big deal. but make sure you always click all just in case it has something important unchecked that we do need. Now, once you have that, you just want to clear all your stuff. You don't have to, but make sure there's no like errors. So now you want to download the thingy in the description, the photon thingy, and then you want it's that one thingy, and then click import package. Get your photon thingy. Oh, once you're on here, make sure you well, it's mostly the top thingy is a download, because I haven't been saying that. So before you import this though, you want to make sure you drag in your so go to resources, girl prefab, and then you want to drag in your gorilla rig. So once you've done that, you can unpack it if you want. Doesn't really matter. But I recommend unpacking it. So go to so right click it, prefab, unpack completely, and then you can just keep it there, you know, if you want. So now you have your gorilla player. So we're gonna real quick play. This may pop up. I don't know how to fix it. Yeah, but it isn't really important. It's just some like networking stuff. Yeah, so you should be in here. You know, it should like do that. And then you want to click the arrow. There again. Right hand controller and move it. So yeah, you should be moving around like this. If you aren't, you may be doing something wrong, or you may have to test it in VR. Yeah, so you done that. You may get a lot of errors here, but it's just like some stuff about like the thingy. I have it a lot of like every single time I make a project, it happens. So don't worry. It may happen to you. I don't think so though. Alright, so now that you put your gorilla rig in, go to import package and then import the photon thingy right here. Make sure to click all. Sometimes, just like I'm saying, it sometimes won't. See how this has a thingy, because we already have resources there, and it's not important. Don't worry about that. It's just thingy saying that like you already have this folder. It's not gonna do anything. And alright, now this may pop up. It probably is. Just click yes for these files. Yes, just for these files. The second option. So now that you've done that, go to resources. Photon VR. Now don't drag in the player. That's not what you're supposed to do. Go to prefab, and then drag these in right here. So yeah, voice logger may be there, but I recommend also if you want to, you can go to assets and delete these. It's just like the images. It doesn't really do anything. You can do. I always delete these because I don't like them. But and then now you can create an empty if you want. Just to keep it more organized. You're just gonna click. You just wanna create a new empty photon, I guess. And you can drag in this stuff. Now once you click on this one right here. Alright. So yeah, so click on this. This is the color of your player. You can set it to anything. I'm just gonna keep it as black. And then this may not be set, probably is. You just take these and stuff. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Well, it does matter actually. What am I saying? But the head is gonna be the main camera, so just drag that in. Left and right controllers are gonna be the left and right controllers. So then region doesn't really matter. Make sure it's always like thingy US. Now for the IDs, this is really important. So you should have your like, so for your app ID, paste in your pwn ID. Then for the app the voice ID, you want to paste in right here. You want to paste in your app your voice ID. So now I'm gonna make mine for my game 10 because that's what usually people do. Connect on Awake. I recommend join room on Connect and Connect on Awake. I recommend leaving these on unless you know how to make room joining thingies. I don't know how to do that, but I can just watch a tutorial on that because it's easy. And then this stuff, these you can just leave the same. You only had to do the manager. So now, whenever you click play, you should you should see like the player model load in. Yeah. Okay, so real quick, you want to click so these may pop up. You may have to click unplay because it's not working whenever I do that. Yeah, but you want to import these stuff because these the TMP are the text, so you won't see like so if you don't import them, people won't see names. So now once you imported those, you just click exit, and then you click play again, I guess. So yep, alright there. If you don't want these like annoying things to be there, you can just click turn off the this button right here, the globo thingy. Alright, yeah, so you should have a working player model. Don't mess with it if you want to keep it the same. I'll make a video on how to add a player model. And by the way, if you want these like little spears gone, these still spears in the hands, you can make sure you're not in play mode. You can go to these spears right here, not the player hands, spears. Don't deactivate them. Just click mesh render because because you to make cosmetics work, yeah, you have to have them to make cosmetics work and stuff. But that's the tutorial on how to make. That's a tutorial on how to make your girl, like start a girl type fan game, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.